Trash. Back up. What you got?
Bill's on TV!
Hey. Shazam, open up.
To the girl who suggested we play baby sensory videos for our cats, thank you.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Don't break my new hairdryer. Mush! Hey! Hey! Brat!
For that case.
Great. So
My plan is that I will be pilot and I'll help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot! Great!
Laugh my ass off. Its leg didn't allow it to lick its tail. Accidentally scared my cat doing this. Hack.
Nugget. You can't keep sitting in there. Why?
So we had this cat, Katana. She's all bloated, hasn't eaten in like a day or so. Take her to the vet and they're like, oh, it could be fluid, which means there's an infection. No, she's just fat. They did a sonogram, she's just fat. This is all just fat.
Entertain us, Chester. Do something cute.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Guys! Way to go, a-hole! Alright, hold on. Will I try and find my balls, for God's sakes? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm okay.
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back, I said!
Bubba's, I have a turtle for you. Do you want the turtle? You. Want some apple? Pray. Come here. Pray. Oh my God, that is so cute. Are you serious?
Time to do some sketchy. Doo-dah, doo-dah.
Explain to me. Cat.
What is going on? I don't understand what's going on here. Why are you in? You look, there's no water in there.
Que foi, Pique? Olha lá.
Her name is Mia, and she loves my singing. Mia, oh,
Halo, are you ugly on purpose?
No, no, voodoo, 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 no.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy.
Man, I think it's raining. Oh, hi, Winnie. So, oh.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
Don't try it. Okay.
Nosso mano Bigodão dando um trato, tá ligado? Isso aí, Bigodão.
You're done. You're done.
Are you about to knock over those peanuts? Cocktail peanuts. Boo!
Please, oh my God. He killed my laptop.
You got my finger! I'm trying to...
Are you okay? Oh no, he broke her. Are you okay?
Dude, you didn't pay the rent on time again.
Did he leave?
No.
He's a good boy.
So, they're trying to find a bird. He's trying to find the cats.
It's Ezra. Okay, bye.
Damn, what is that, bro?
This set is to avoid the television scratched by cat.
Hello?
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
Tell me how you know your boyfriend won't cheat on you without telling me how you know your boyfriend won't cheat on you. I'll go first.